113 normal. Yan. Sa kanya na naman. Kahapon sa kanya, ano? 200. 200.
Taas po.
Taas.
107
Taas kasi ice cream kagabi. Hindi maiwasan eh. Hindi maiwasan talagang.
And honestly, I doubt they even paid.
Guys, morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Bagong araw, bagong simula ng work. Ngayon guys ay normal na namin ito ginagawa. Yung pag alam ng ano, sugar kung ilan ang sugar mo, kasi matataas ang sugar namin. Okay.
In the capital, Skopje, you'll also find many public fountains, and you can drink from them safely. If you taste the water, you'll notice how sweet and clean it is. There's no need to buy bottled water in Macedonia, especially if you're at a cafe. You can simply drink to your heart's content from the fountains that provide fresh, natural water. But because of economic conditions, the number of beggars and homeless people is overwhelming. Beggars especially cling to you, and if they sense even a slight chance of getting money, they don't leave your side. Macedonians don't consider these beggars as one of them, and tend to look at them negatively. Regardless of their ethnic background, if an issue exists within the country, we can't separate it from Macedonia and pretend it's not there. In my view, Macedonia's biggest problems are its weak economy and the beggar issue. In the capital, you'll come across a beggar almost every 100 meters. They usually gather at the entrances and middle sections of the bridge, which is the busiest spot. Beggars often use children, and because people feel sorry for kids,
113 yan na naman.
if you stay there longer than 3 days, you eventually get tired of them.
Kahapon sa kanya, ano?
By walking several meters away whenever you see one. Besides the beggars,
200.
there are street vendors selling fake watches.
200.
They usually have darker skin
Taas.
tones and
Kaya
lighter
Taas kasi ice cream kagabi. Ice cream. Hindi maiwasan eh. Hindi maiwasan talagang.
And honestly, I doubt they even paid
Hindi maiwasan.
since it seems like completely unregistered work.
Sa kanya naman,
Huge number of beggars and questionable street vendors you barely see.
oh. Ano mga aparatos guys, oh. Ang dami.
Hardly came across any proper police
Yung mga needle,
The few police officers
tingnan
that were around didn't intervene.
Lancet.
There are also street performers trying to
Saka
earn
ito.
money by making
Ito,
music, and I genuinely
tawag dito.
respect these people. Many of those
glucomite, ano yan? Monitoring, sugar monitor.
while others play
Yan o,
purely
yan
with
maglagay o.
I didn't see many stray animals in Skopje.
Tapos,
Occasionally, you might come across a stray dog in more
Lit.
remote areas, but stray cats are almost non-existent.
Oh, yan o.
Most dogs seem to be domesticated and owned.
Tapos, padugo
People
yan.
walk their dogs around the capital,
Yan.
and the animals look well behaved.
Pagpadugo mo na.
If we look at income levels, our local friends told us
Hindi pa tumalab. Hindi.
150 euros,
Hindi to.
and average workers earn
Ay, gamira. Hindi. Ulit.
The local currency is
Ulit.
Macedonian
Si,
dinar, and it's
hindi mabasa sa ano.
For
Hindi ano.
example,
Hindi mabasa pag mga kaunti lang dugo.
$1 equals roughly
Yung
6.
tama-tama lang.
For those earning euros or dollars,
Yan.
eating and
Okay.
drinking in this country is practically free.
Yan.
Even in clean,
Yan,
well-rated
okay.
hotels
Tumunog.
in the center of the capital, you pay only
Ano pa rin?
about 250 euros for 7 nights with your
Wala. Ano ba? Ano ba? Piga kasi tumunog. Okay. Pag tumunog, okay yan. Ayan.
241.
Uy, 241. Tumaas. Kasi high yan. High. Kasi kumain ng ice cream. Dahil talaga sa ice cream o yung pagkain natin, kailangan minimize sa pagkain. Sugar. Mas lalo yung pagkain na walang sugar. Kasi pag ganito maraming binagbawal eh. May naman, may maintenance naman. Maintenance. Ngayong ilang araw, pupunta na naman kami sa doktor.
219 gapon.
219. So, ngayong susunod na araw, pupunta kami ng doktor kasi baka hindi na mimitin yan gamot namin. So, baka halo-halo na. Guys, okay, iligpit natin to. Thank you. Malaman namin. Pagkatapos, na naman? Tapos nito, blood pressure na naman. Blood pressure, BP. Tingnan nyo kung paano magkuha ng blood pressure. Okay. Blood pressure muna tayo. Okay.
A journey that should take 4 hours ends up taking 7 or 8.
Blood pressure.
And the minibuses are quite old.
Yeah, guys.
There are usually 2 drivers who take
Blood pressure.
but the entire trip is filled with loud chatter and laughter. And yes, they smoke inside the minibus. I couldn't record that part because I didn't want to jeopardize our trip to Albania. Just keep in mind, don't expect comfort or professionalism in cross-border road travel. Maybe not all companies are like this, but overall, these are my observations about life in North Macedonia. This is Macedonia Street in downtown Skopje. Having a North Macedonian breakfast here in the morning is pretty popular. Lots of practical and tasty options. People grab quick breakfasts made of various baked goods. Long lines form at the counter, and the shelves are packed with fresh items straight from the oven.
Okay.
North Macedonia produces
Guys,
a lot of cheese, and people here eat
tumatakbo
plenty
na.
of meat, even for breakfast.
Ayan
You'll see chicken sandwiches
Ayan ang blood pressure.
and drinks sweetened with
Para malaman mo kung ilan ang
the country's history. In 1918,
BP mo.
the people of what is now North Macedonia became part of Yugoslavia, a union of Serbs,
Rate
Croats,
ng BP.
and Slovenes. Yugoslavia was originally a monarchy. Later, in 1943, Tito came to power.
Baka magtaka kayo guys, mayroong salita dahil nood din kami ng TV.
Serbia, Croatia, Bosnia, and Herzegovina, Slovenia,
Nanood kami ng TV.
and Montenegro made
Vlogger,
up this
vlogs.
federation. 6 republics under one name. During this time, people across the region had mixed feelings. Some liked Yugoslavia, others didn't. Everyone simply wanted freedom and prosperity. Despite Tito having enemies, most people lived fairly well.
Hindi pa tapos.
If you ask older people today, many will say life was better back when Yugoslavia was socialist. Not just in Macedonia, but across the Balkans. However, Tito represented a single political authority, and he ruled the entire federation. Different religious expressions were generally restricted, though they didn't interfere with mosques or churches.
Hindi pa tapos.
After Tito died in
Yan.
1980, things began to fall
105
apart.
over 63.
People grew unhappy, and
Okay.
unrest spread. By 1991, Slovenia and Croatia were the first to
Ako naman.
According to our
Ako naman.
North Macedonia was left. They held a referendum in September 1991 asking whether the country should become independent. More than 95% voted for freedom, something they had dreamed of for years. And
Ako
so,
naman.
North Macedonia became the only republic to leave Yugoslavia
taas.
without going to war. Today, the country hopes to join the European Union soon. but there are still small disagreements among locals. For example, after independence, the country's official name was changed to North Macedonia. Some still can't accept the word North and obsess over it. Others don't mind. There was even a referendum about this, and the final decision was to keep the name North Macedonia. Just like people in the United States consider themselves American, or people in the United Kingdom identify as British, they believe anyone living in Macedonia is Macedonian. When it comes to ethnic background, North Macedonia is a country that brings many different groups together. Around 25% of the people living within its borders are Albanian. On top of that, Turks make up about 5% of the population. More than half of the country is made up of ethnic Macedonians, while the remaining minorities include Roma, Bosniaks, Serbs, and several other groups. If we look at the country's total population, it's roughly around 2 million
Uy,
people.
taas
After
ang
2021,
132.
population dropped slightly to around
103.
1.8 million.
Ulit.
But of course, there are
Parang
also
diskumpiado
North
ko, ah.
Macedonian passport holders living abroad.
132
So
over
overall,
100.
you can say the
103.
population is above 2 million. The capital, Skopje, is shaped by the long Vardar River that flows straight through the city. The river divides the capital into two sides and is crossed by several bridges. The most famous of these is the Stone Bridge,
103.
one
Ang
of the
taas.
biggest symbols of both Macedonia
78.
and its capital. Anyone who visits the city ends up taking a photo there or walking across it.
Ulit.
The Vardar River is 380
Ulit.
kilometers long, with 300 kilometers flowing through North Macedonia and the rest continuing into Greece. The Stone Bridge was built in the 16th century by a Macedonian ruler, and it must have been built incredibly well, because it survived the devastating 1963 Skopje earthquake with no major damage. Today, it's one of the country's most iconic landmarks, appearing on countless souvenirs and postcards. North Macedonia's flag is essentially a symbol of the sun. And as you can probably tell from the weather, Macedonia is a very sunny country. That's why they
Okay.
wanted their flag to reflect that. In the past, they
Ulit
used the
kasi
flag with a
mataas.
16-ray sun. But over time, it was redesigned into the more modern red and yellow flag used today. As a nation, Macedonians feel closest to other Balkan countries, especially Albania and Serbia. After all, during the Yugoslav era, 6 countries lived together and were deeply connected. Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Croatia were also part of that shared past. Another topic worth mentioning is language. Macedonians speak what they call the Macedonian language, which has Slavic roots. So in many ways, their language is closer to Slavic languages. Some people say it also shares certain similarities with Greek. When it comes to food, one of the most famous local dishes you'll find in high-end restaurants is ajvar. It's made from red peppers and is considered the caviar of the Balkans. People often start their day with a nice clay pot soup. It can be made with chicken, meat, tripe, or even fish. Others start their morning with a simple omelette. Although most Macedonians begin their day with baked goods, sometimes they prefer something warm. And some locals even start their day with rakic, a strong traditional spirit. Even if it's very early, it's not unusual for someone to drink rakic in the
31.
morning. Now, let's
83.
talk about money.
Numbers with
Today, 1 euro equals about 61 Macedonian dinars. Their banknotes often depict architecture, historical elements, and animals unique to the region. One of their most valuable notes is the 1,000 dinar bill, which features a woman in traditional clothing. They also have interesting coins, like the 1 dinar coin that shows a native dog breed. The 10 dinar currency exists both as a banknote and as a coin. If we look at the positive and negative sides of North Macedonia, I'd say the people are genuinely warm and helpful. But on the negative side, the capital has quite a lot of beggars, homeless people, and individuals who constantly approach tourists
Eh.
trying to sell something.
Guys, mula rito coffee muna tayo.
Although smoking
Okay.
indoors is technically illegal,
Coffee tayo.
many establishments ignore the rule and still
Coffee time. Ang coffee na time namin parang almusal na rin. Parang almusal. Ayan. Parang almusal na rin. Okay. Ayan. Pandesal. Guys, litos. Baka akala nyo cabbage to ha. Repolyo hindi, litos to. Hawa mo.
Abong.
Hawa matumban ka. Hawa. Amin. Aso namin. Sugar sa Nescafe ito, Nescafe. Ayun, hindi namin magano ng ano tawag dito 3 in 1. Mataas sugar namin. Saka konting ano lang sugar o pagkitan. Saka ba ito pag na
Ano ba? Nagagasan.
Guys, ito pandesal. Control din tayo sa tinapay dahil ang tinapay daming sugar yan. Litos.
Ano ka kay tambay mo sa
Check up.
check-up mo?
Parang isang ano.
Okay, nasa na?
Kasama ko hindi kumakain ng litos. Sarap. Lagyan mo lang, lagyan mo cheese.
Doon na. May lamig.
Ayaw talaga niya.
Doon.
Doon daw.
Meron ng ano.
Hindi na sanay.
Sumupisa na po ito.
Kahit dito sa amin, tuwing umaga, dalawang naglalako ng tinapay. Iba-ibang klase. Merong malunggay na tinapay at saka ito. Ito yung regular. Walang malunggay. Ito yung binibili namin, walang malunggay kasi hindi niya gusto yung may malunggay. Yan. Ordinary lang, tinapay. Loaded sa kubig, antik sa sibis. Ano ba rin Marcos?
Nirkulis.
Komplis hindi ko.
Nirkulis na rin. Martes ka? Ay, Nirkulis. Kambak sa mga kambak.
Okay guys, hanggang dito basta hanggang dito na lang. Thank you.
Kaon. Simbot-simbot.